हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक है और आपके रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। So today I'm gonna react on Jennie's performance on Golden Disc Award 2026. So as you all know, I'm a big fan of Jennie and Blackpink. So let's get into the video and let's see what she did. Like, she is always gonna nail it. I am pretty sure about it. So the song she performed is Filter, Damn Right and Like Jenny. Like Jenny is my favorite, most favorite. I always look forward for Like Jenny in every performance. So let's see what she did in Golden Disc Award because she literally gonna do her best and she always, do best because her MMA performance was so good. So I have high expectation with this one too. Wow. ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि शी इज गोना बी क्रिएटिव विद दिस परफॉर्मेंस अगेन. Wow. I love whenever Jennie have red theme in her videos and performances. Red looks good on her even though she don't like wearing red. Sorry, excuse me. This whole formation is so good. I'm loving it. Literally, I'm loving it. Her dress is looking hot. She's looking bomb. The thing about Jennie is she have that, in her. Whenever she performs, she literally, look like she is the only person on the stage. Like, जब भी ये स्टेज पे होती है ना मुझे कोई और दिखता ही नहीं है, सिर्फ जेनी ही दिखती है. I love this song. Is she singing live? I think she is because I can hear it. This is so good. I'm so hype up about it. And all the dancers are so good in formation. Wow, it's sexy. I love this line. Undress me. I love it. Love it. Wow. Every song and most of it filter is so good. Filter. I love it. Whenever I heard this song, it's kind of, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस song में she want to say she gonna be herself and there is no filter about her. With no filter. I am in heaven with Jennie. Just take me there, Jennie. True. Nothing can touch Jennie and her talent. Wow. This woman is gonna kill me. I already love her so damn much. And then she just performed like angel and grabbed me to my throat and make me love her more. Baby. Filter. With no filter. Filter. I love it. Love. With no filter. Jennie. The way she's going with her coat. I am loving it. Nobody can touch Jennie. I'm gonna repeat it again. Jenny is Jenny. Nobody can touch her. Nobody can copy her. Nobody can compare with her. She's the aura in herself. The way she walk. Whoa, the look in her eyes. I am like, she's literally making me possessed with her eyes. My baby. How much she want me to obsess with her because I'm literally on my knees for her. I love this dance break. Oh, they are looking damn hot together, but Jenny is mine. I'm joking. But I hope so. Like she's so good. Wow. This is so good. It's looking so sensual in a way, like it just make you so, obsessed with it. Jenny is mine. I'm jealous with this dancer. Whoa. He's so close to her. I'm jealous. But I can understand. I'm not that, kind of hater obsessed. I love whatever she does. Damn right. Damn right. I love her. Whenever I see her perform, I always say, I just love her. And this whole black and red theme is so good. She looks so good in red. She is queen. K-pop never can have another Jenny. I'm so sure about it. Damn right. She's wearing a jacket. Like Jenny gonna come, I think. They can never be Jenny. Yeah, haters and nobody can be Jenny. Like Jenny. I already know Jenny. And I know everybody gonna know it if they don't. Copy. Hottie. Miss me. Ooh. So Jenny. Oh, Jenny. 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 Whenever she says haters never gonna be Jenny, I love it. Nobody can be Jenny, and that's on it. Jenny, 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 Jenny. I'm so obsessed with Jenny. Have you ever met Jenny? I hope so, I will. I love this rap. This is my baby. She is nailing this whole performance. Whenever I hear Like Jenny, I just so hype up about this song. And she always makes sure this song feel new whenever I hear it. Jenny is Jenny, man. Ooh. The dance break is so good. I loved it. Jenny, 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 Jenny. Jenny! Jenny, 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 Jenny. I love this dance break. Jenny, 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 Jenny. She's enjoying it. You can see on her face, she's totally enjoying it. Jenny, Jenny, Jenny. Yay! I'm so hype up about it. Jenny. This dance break is so good. No, baby. How much you gonna make me obsessed with you? Like, I feel so, overwhelmed whenever I see her. It's always like I want to see her in face to face. I want to be with her. It's such a feeling in my heart. I always, have this kind of feeling. I always want to see her. It's just, I love her so much and all Blackpink members. I'm so OT4 and I love each and every Blackpink member. So this is it for this video, and I hope you love my reaction. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video to the people who love Jennie and who love reactions, and comment down below if you want me to react and do anything on this channel so we can have fun together. And bye bye babies, I love you all.